My name is Chaz Burkett. I'm the owner of RinkMaster. RinkMaster is an e-commerce business marketing and selling backyard rink products and accessories all across Canada and the northern US states where it's cold enough to have a backyard rink. We started out of my friend's basement in my garage, and it just sort of grew from there. Making a backyard rink is a very Canadian thing to do. It's just great to get the kids outside. So when I hear and get feedback from people who have had great success with their rinks and really enjoyed the family time, I find that incredibly rewarding. I think there are a couple of things that really set us apart. Number one is our service. And with the assistance of UPS, our speed of shipping is incredible. It can be typically overnight in all of Southern Ontario and Quebec, and that's a large swath of our customer base. We work hard to get it onto the truck, and UPS works hard to get products there on our customers' doorsteps very quickly. From a growth perspective, there's been a couple of key elements that have helped RinkMaster grow. The UPS shipping integration that works with our website to allow us to import and ship orders automatically saves us a ton of money versus the manual cut and paste that we used to have to do. The tech folks at UPS walked us through this on our computer and were really instrumental in making that an efficiency for us. Another thing that's helped facilitate our growth is the trailer reservation system. So when we're very busy in the fall, we need 53-foot trailers in here, but it can be hard to predict when we need those and when we don't. So we go on and reserve them and give an idea of how many skids we're gonna have for them. And they're very responsive in terms of having that tractor trailer here for us right when we need it, which can do a whole sweep and take up all our products on a busy day and take it directly to a distribution hub. My son has been with me 4 years now since he graduated university, and he's a key part of the business. It's pretty rewarding to have a family business and to be able to do this together.
There's 3 things that he really drilled into my brain when I started working here, and that was ship accurately, ship quickly, and service.
We have a good time working together. Dan's gonna vote me top 100 employers of the year, he said.
Have no choice.